everyone, Khushbu this side. So today we are going to talk about Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program. So this program is open for all girls and boys who are studying in colleges across the globe, so that Microsoft can provide them opportunity to learn and build a great community. So if you get selected in this program, you're going to get various resources, technical help and assistance from the industry leads, so that you can ace in your career and to also help other students. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how I got selected, how you can get selected, where to apply, when to apply, and what are the things you required, and all the doubts. I recently gave you a brief about this program on my Instagram and asked you to ask me all the questions that you have in mind. So we are also going to answer each and every question we had. So you can also follow me on Instagram so that you can keep updated by these things. So let's start. So the first and foremost question is, who are eligible to apply? Any student girl or boy in India or outside India who are above the age of 16 are eligible to apply if they are enrolled in any college or university, no matter which course they are in. So they don't differentiate you on the basis of your educational background, like if you are in computers or not, it doesn't matter. But computer background will be more preferable, because it is a technical community that we are building. So that's why if you have a coding experience in prior, that will be a plus point for you. Where to apply and how to apply? Basically, you can go to the main website, that is studentambassadors.microsoft.com, and there you can get the apply button, so you can apply from there directly. You can apply throughout the year. Applications are always open, but they get evaluated quarterly. So basically if you are applying between September to February, you will get your results by April. And if you are applying between March to April, you will get results by July. If you are applying between May to July, you will get your results by October. And if you are applying between August to September, you are probably going to get your results near January. So I applied near September, I guess, when I posted this video. So that's why I got my result 2 days back. So it's the January wala phase. So the next question is, what are the benefits of being a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador? So basically, there are a lot of benefits. So firstly, you get a lot of resources by Microsoft. You get free subscriptions to many Microsoft services like Visual Studio and Office 365 and their editing softwares. You get free access to LinkedIn Learning. I will have access to all their resources they have planned for us, and their workshops and summits. And I will also get a swag. So there are 3 levels: alpha, beta, and then gold. So right now I'm a new ambassador. I'm going to get promoted to alpha. Then when I'm going to get promoted to beta, I'm also going to get a swag kit. And this is the picture of the swag kit. Looks very cool, having pens, t-shirts, pen drives, bottle bags, and much more. So yeah. And you also get event support. So basically, if you want to conduct any workshop, seminar, or event in your college, so they are going to provide food and beverages for all the participants. So isn't that cool? So basically, I told you, like, there are 3 levels: so alpha, beta, and gold. So these are all the things that they are going to get. To get promoted to the next level, you have to perform certain tasks. There are minimum requirements that you have to fulfill so that you can get upgraded to the next level. So now let's see how we can fill the application form. So basically, this is the application form. When you will go to the link that is in the description, you are going to get the button apply now. And so here you have to provide your personal details, school information, and your technical skills, and your all the social profiles and all. And then you have to write then there is a written sample part where you will have 3 questions that you have to answer. So you can answer in any 2 formats. Firstly, you can write an essay about it, or you can give a video format. So there is at least one video compulsory. So you have to at least make one video about any of the answers, and that should be less than 2 minutes. And apart from that, I think that video formats are more preferred. That's why I personally made all 3 videos. And if you are interested in checking them out, then you can check out my channel. Before this video, there is a video about my videos. Like there is there is compilation of all 3 videos, and that's a 6-minute long video, because I posted all 3 videos and they are nearly 2 minutes long. Okay, so in the written sample you will have questions like what excites you about technology, and how will you help community, and like how will you promote any event, or how will you make other students understand any problem or any technical concept. So these are the things you have to tell. So this is everything about this program. And now let's take all of your questions that you have given me on Instagram, and let's see. So how will I make videos and upload? So you can check out my videos to get the example that how you have to make video. You can just record it on your phone and then upload it on your drive, and then just make a shareable link, and then share it on the form. Does everyone who applies get selected, or any kind of selection criteria? No, there is definitely a selection criteria. I know a lot of students and I have a lot of messages saying that I applied earlier but I didn't get selected, so any tips. So yeah, there is a selection criteria, but they haven't mentioned it anywhere. So it's like so it will depend only on your application, your written answers, and your social profiles. So it is like it will be very great if you provide all the links that they ask you to. So it will increase your chances to get selected. Don't know which language to start. Should I start? Okay, start with C++. I'm a beginner, but I really need this opportunity. Asked a lot of questions in the form, so any help? So if you are a beginner and if you want to get selected for the same, and you are not sure that if they are going to take you, the main thing is, as a beginner you have to tell them that how you are going to like help the community, basically that they know that you don't have any technical skills in prior. Okay, so you have to tell them that okay, these are the things that I am thinking of, that I am going to learn from this community, and this is how I am planning to give back to the community. So this is very important. So try to incorporate all these things in your 3 essays, and this will really help. How you got selected in this, and tell us about the procedure of selection. So basically when I made this video, I applied for the same with all 3 videos, and I just got selected, and that's all the procedure. I also got selected, but I don't know what to do next. So okay, so do check your inbox. They have given you the new email ID, or do login on your Teams app, and there they have provided you the handbook and all the activities, and a separate video about how to get started and what are all the things you need to do. And you have some certain things that you have to do within a month, so complete that and you will become the alpha partner. Hi, do you have any tips for applying in this program? Also, do you make 3 videos or only 1? So I made 3 videos, and I will suggest you to make videos instead of writing the essays, because in your essay you can't really tell the tone what you are trying to say, but when you are making a video you can really feel what the person is saying, and if he is saying truth or not by his expressions. So yeah, GitHub repository and online resume is necessary or not? No, it is not necessary, but it will it will definitely add plus points to your profile, and will show that you have done some work and you are eligible. I'm a first year student. Do I need to know programming to be part of this program? You don't need to know, but if you know, it will be very helpful. So just start learning right away and apply for the same. If you get selected, it's a good thing, and if you don't, you can try next year. Lack of awareness. do check out my stories, guys. Is there any prerequisites for applying? No, there are no prerequisites. Can I fill the form twice? Because I guess I was not selected early. Yes, you can fill the form twice. Just make sure that you are giving 3 to 4 months gap between the application, because it is necessary, because they take nearly 3-4 months to get your application to get evaluated, so it will be good. What kind of work we have to do in this program? So basically they will provide you a lot of resources, technical help and program resources, and they will also provide you help in your event management. So when you are getting selected in this program, you are supposed to learn and then help others. So basically you also get upgraded only when you show that you are doing some work for the community. You have certain path that you have to complete, then you will become alpha level, and then after that you have certain you have to do at least one event so that you can become a beta level. So it's so the work is only to learn and to help others. There is no other expectation they have from you. Can an international student apply for MSP? Yes, definitely. There are MSPs all over the world, so you can definitely apply and you can definitely get selected. I want to know that about what kind of topic and content should I speak on those videos answering question answers. So basically be yourself. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that can give you an idea about what kind of video, what kind of answer they are expecting from you, and you can try to be a little bit more creative about it. You can try to incorporate animations in those videos. Also you can try to be like add each and everything you have done till now, because only on the behalf of those 3 videos you are going to get selected. Like they are going to judge if you have done enough work or not, they are going to judge if you are enough passionate or not, and if you can help the society. So basically try to incorporate each and everything you have done till now, and even if it's a small thing, and try to give the real idea, and that can be really helpful. So these were all the questions. There are a lot of many other questions also, but they are kind of same, and I have covered it all in this video. So if you have any other further questions, you can just put them in the comments, and I will be very happy to help you out. And I will be very happy to help you all, and check out the description for all the links so that you can apply today, so that you can be a Microsoft ambassador until April. And I will see you all next time. Bye.